Tafadhali tutulie tafadhali, tutulieni. Charlotte, jipe nguvu, anza.
We are here today to honor and celebrate the life of Purity Wambui, who was born on January 21st, 1976 and left us on June 1st, 2024. Purity was the daughter of the late John Theubi and Eunice Nyambura. She was the fifth of 7 siblings: Mercy, Dennis, the late Felix, Anne, Waithera, and Joyce. Upbringing: the late Purity Wambui was brought up by her parents in accordance with the Christian faith. She used to assist her parents with domestic chores. She grew up being obedient and a hardworking girl. Education: she attended St. Paul's Primary School in Motella from 1983 to 1990. She was known for her diligence and love for learning, trait and stayed with her throughout her life. Marriage: Purity met and married the love of her heart, Matayo Msaganike, in 1992, and they shared many wonderful years. Their marriage was filled with love, respect, and mutual support. They were blessed with 4 beautiful children: Marlene, Charlotte, Shanice, and Mariam Safin. Illness: last September, Purity started feeling unwell with back pains and headaches. A visit to the doctor revealed that she had stage 4 breast cancer. Despite her health challenges, she remained strong and hopeful, spending as much time as possible with her loved ones. She was admitted at Kenyatta National Hospital on May 29 and sadly passed away. And she passed away on 1st June 2024. She passed on at the age of 48 and is survived by her dear husband and 4 children. God gave and God has taken. May his name be glorified.
Oh yes, may his name be glorified. Pigeni makofi huyo dada mdogo. Basi ningependa kuwapa sasa nafasi, tunatoka eulogy tunakwenda familia, kisha tunaenda marafiki. Na tukiwa katika hali hiyo, kuna mtu amepoteza funguo. Nikiangalia hii funguo ya nduthi inaelekea kuwa gari.